Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you the March update for the hashtag beautychest project pan. So if you want to see everything I've been working on, 3 out of 4 of my products are rollouts. Then let's get right on into it. This is created by Makeup Misfit. She's listed down below as well as all the details. And this is based off the community chest cards from Monopoly. This goes from September 27th of last year to August 27th of this year. It's rolling style with collection specific goals. You start with 4 prompts and you can roll the same prompt in multiple times, even in the same update. So I'm hoping to get through all the prompts, but I don't feel like that's going to be possible because I've rolled in prompts multiple times already. But since this is a project where you just work on whatever prompt gets rolled in, it's okay if I don't hit all the prompts, because I don't think that she's hit all the prompts in a year, so it's fine. I have coffee with espresso in it, so I'm a little rambunctious. It's from Scooters, and it's their strawberry shortcake, so it's strawberry and white mocha, and it is delicious. In real time, because you're seeing this later, I have physical therapy today for the first time, so I wanted a little pick-me-up. We have a new shirt, peep the new shirt. I have another new shirt as well, so you'll be seeing that in rotation too. That one's way more cute. Like, this is just like a baby doll tank top, but I like the little straps. But I thought it's more orange, but I thought it's cute, so let's just get into the prompts. Like I said, 3 out of 4 of my things are rollouts, so that's super exciting. I've done pretty good on this project, if I do say so myself. So for affiliate codes, that was another beauty YouTuber or Panner's Pan inspired. And so that was just, you know, pick something that you're inspired by that another YouTuber is panning, that you got from another YouTuber, what have you. So I brought in, felt like I was gonna sneeze there for a second, my Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Glow blush. And I tell the little story about DW and I gave her one of these because I accidentally bought 2 because I was an idiot and buying a whole bunch of makeup 2 years ago in February. So there's that. And she loves this. She has pan on hers, I believe. But she is convinced, I think, 2 of our other friends to buy this because she loves it so much. I still debate on whether or not I want to franken it and mix them all together because I just mix it all together anyway. And I have a really big dip on this side with the highlighter. So, but anyhoozle, I used it 4 times in February, and my very last use was March 3rd to hit my 14 use goal. Going forward, I'm only going to do up to a 10 use goal, but it was grandfathered in, so it had a 14 use goal, and I'm happy to have used it 14 times. So that is a goal met and a roll out. Then we have return a product, which is not a favorite. So I brought in my Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer. I still feel like I have to sneeze. And I have the shade 16N Fair Light Neutral. The shade, gorgeous. The consistency, like, I hate this super long doe foot. Hate that. But the consistency of this, I don't like it on the under eyes for spot concealing. It's a really nice concealer. It is more creamy than like the Tarte Shape Tapes. I do like this more than those. I'm not going to declutter this, but it's definitely not a favorite concealer. It's not a serum concealer. Those are my favorite. It's thicker than that. I had an 8 use goal on this guy, and I used it 4, 5, 6, 7 times in February to hit my goal on February 21st. So that is a goal met and a roll out. Then we had a subscription box, which is a mini palette. So I brought in my Natasha Denona Mini Retro, my favorite mini palette. And I just wanted to no pan left behind this, so use each shade one time. And I've got a nice dip on this shade Galaxia, which is my favorite shade in the whole palette. It's gorgeous. I honestly don't understand why we put this pink shade in here when we have this one, because like this is nothing. But I did one look, used all the shades. Think they're gorgeous. I do want to keep this out because it's something that definitely needs to get used. It's my oldest Natasha Denona palette. But I met my goal on the 4th of March is the day that I used that palette. And the last item, I have a big fat 0, haven't touched it at all yet, but that's fine. And that is birthday gift. Pull in a mini. So this is my mini Rare Beauty blush in the shade Hope, which I will just give it a good old college try swatch here because Frosted Glass. That's the shade Hope. And I have just a 5-use goal on this guy. Haven't touched it. Could have worn it today, but I decided to pull out a different blush because I was like, one use is not going to be very helpful for this. So haven't touched it, have not used it at all, but it could be a rollout for next month. I could get all 5 uses in a month. Like, that's not that difficult. I just got to remember to use the shade is all, to be honest. So there we go. So we are rolling in, hopefully just 3 products, because we could get a prompt to roll in more than 3. But let's get out the wheel of spinniness, tiny decisions, and let's see what we rolled in. Go to Beautychest, reset the wheel, and our first prompt is Shifty Shades. So that is on the back. We've already had Shifty Shades. It's a duo or multi-chrome or shimmer shade. So that's our second time hitting that one. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna bring in for that. Reset the wheel. Return a product. That was not a favorite, correct? Yeah, not a favorite. So, ooh, let me pick up my pen. All right, return a product. So for not a favorite, I don't know what I'm gonna bring in for that. To be honest, I don't keep a lot of things in my collection that just aren't my favorites, and I don't want to just re-bring in that concealer. And I'm working on a concealer to finish, so I'm gonna really have to think hard on that one. And our last prompt is 15% off. Roll again. So reset wheel. We roll again. Affiliate codes. Affiliate codes is Panner's Pan Inspired, another beauty YouTuber. I'm gonna have to think really, really hard about that one too, because I don't know what people are panning, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna go take some time, go look at my collection and pull some products, and I will be right back. All right, I have my products. I'm not thrilled, but I have what I think I have. So for Shifty Shades, a duo multi-chrome shimmery shadow, I'm bringing in this Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome. If you can see, it shifts like a pinky purple. It shifts to a gold. Let me give it a swatch. It's so creamy. It's so pretty. so let's see how many uses out of 10 we need on that shadow, which is something I could easily use as an inner corner. 4, not too shabby. 4 uses. That will be pretty easy. For return a product, something that is not your favorite, I like this formula. I'm actually wearing one on my eyes today, but I don't love this color. This is the NYX Epic Inky Stix. This one's a matte. Is my other one a shimmer? Yeah, the other one's a metallic. I didn't realize this one was a matte. But it's in the shade Cobalt Click. And I don't wear blue. I don't use blue. I don't wear blue. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like, I think it hugs the lower lash line so nicely. I really like these. I got 3 from Influencer and PR. I got this shade. Is my other one a matte? That's the liquid liner. Where's the third one? Right here. Yeah. So I have 2 matte ones and a metallic, and I'm wearing the metallic one today, and it's actually a metallic that doesn't bother my eyes, which is amazing. But this is just a color that I don't wear, so it's not a favorite for that reason. The formula is fantastic. Please, a lower number. 4. Okay. Whew. 4 uses. And then for affiliate codes or Panners Pan Inspired, I am already working on this, but I'm going to make some dedicated use. This is my Hourglass Deer. Yes, I had to remember what the animal was. The Hourglass Deer palette. Now, it's a little bit of a stretch, but Erin Taylor, who I will list down below, is panning. She wants to finish her Hourglass blush in Mood Exposure. I don't have that shade, and I don't have a single Hourglass blush, but I have my 2 Hourglass blushes here, so why not work on these? I do have a usage goal on this palette in another project, but the palette could be anything in here, so I figure I could make the blushes specifically for this project, the rest of the palette for the other project that I'm working on. So I have... oh, what are the shades called? Radiant Peach and Vibrant Pink. Oh, I need more than that. This palette is so light, it's not even funny. So Radiant Peach. And Vibrant Pink is such a baby doll pink. I could probably use it as an under eye powder. Like, you can barely see the pink, but the peach shows up, and the peach is really pretty. I prefer the peach just because it has more color than the pink one, but personally, I think this palette is super overrated. I think this formula is super overrated, and I'm kind of disappointed in buying this. This is also smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's a whole to-do. But let's see how many times I have to use my Hourglass blushes. And that's whether I dip into 1, both, 8 uses. So, not horrible, but that's going to take me a second. I do think, here, let me swatch the Rare Beauty, oh God, blush one more time. I want to swatch it next to those blushes, just to see if it goes. I honestly think I could wear it with either one, so that's nice to know. Oh God, the NYX Inky Stick doesn't want to come off. Oh no. Oh no. Get off my hand. I have other things to film and do today. No. But those are the 3 products that I'm rolling in for the March update. We only have a few months. I mean, we have, what, 6 months left in this project? Let me get the Inky Stick off my hand, and then we can, so April, May, June, July, August, 5 months. So not too shabby. I don't think that that is too bad there at all. So that's going to do it for my update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.